Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video of surprise deals. In this video, we'll show the 5 best portable cribs on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. During the first years of your baby, you have to prioritize their safety. However, this is hard to do when you're traveling. The Graco Pack and Play on the go Playard is designed with durability, safety, convenience, and affordability in mind. One of the upsides of this crib is it's very breathable. The setup of this portable crib is easy, although first-timers may take longer to figure it out. Admittedly, a lot of reviewers find this portable crib hard to take down, which can be an issue if you're in a rush. The frames are made with sturdy metals, which are only covered with a canvas-like fabric. This can hurt your child if they bang their body on it. Surprisingly, it has a very comfortable mattress considering how affordable it is. Pros: compact, affordable, intuitive wheel design. Cons: hard to disassemble and heavy. Lotus Travel Crib is perfect for families traveling with babies and toddlers as it comes with a backpack carrying case that makes your journey relaxed. This travel crib features a thick pad and soft foam that provides a comfortable sleeping space for your baby. This crib is compact and lightweight, making it easy and quick to set up or pack. The breathable and visible fabric mesh has a zippered door on one side to put your baby in and out of the crib without much hassle. This travel crib for toddlers is Green Guard Gold approved and free from toxic materials. Pros: suitable as a crib or Playard, comfortable mattress, travel friendly, easy to lay down babies with zipper door. Cons: have to bend a lot to place your baby, the zipper may be noisy. The travel crib from BabyBjörn can accommodate children up to 3 years or until they learn to climb out of it. It is ultra light, weighing 13 pounds and compact. The spacious crib with a thick, soft mattress is comfortable and safe for playing and sleeping. It has a mesh fabric covering, which is airy and helps you keep an eye on your baby. The crib and mattress fabrics are free from harmful substances, and the crib has a sturdy base that helps prevent wobbling. You can fold the crib in half into its bag and carry it around while traveling. Pros are easy to set up and take down, thicker and cushier mattress, durable, offers stability. Cons are difficult to place and pick up your baby. Baby Joy Travel Crib is made from aluminum tubes and iron handrails, offering a sturdy and durable design. The mesh covering of the crib allows good air circulation and visibility to help the baby feel comfortable. It also has a zipper that helps you place and pick up your baby without any inconvenience. The travel crib had sufficient space to accommodate you and your toddler during playtime, and it makes a comfortable sleeping area for your child. Its mattress is soft, flat, and non-collapsing to protect your child's delicate body. The crib weighs 10 pounds, which is a perfect size for travel. Pros are removable and washable fabric, lightweight and portable, stable and durable. Con is the zipper may not be strong enough. The Travel Crib by UNiPLAY is designed with a spacious room, allowing your little one to play hassle-free. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and an adjustable pole design brings stability to the crib on even surfaces. Its simple fold-and-go design promotes compact folding for easy storage or carrying while traveling. The breathable mesh design ensures see-through and ventilation. Furthermore, the padded waterproof playpen keeps your munchkin safe from rough surfaces. This frame can hold up to 120 pounds weight, making it durable. Pros are lightweight, portable design, easy to assemble. Con is mesh or see-through fabric may look flimsy. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video with another review. Until then, take care.